The politics of the speech is different from the politics of the deal. So there are members of Congress today who were attending the speech who felt that this was not a useful tactic for the Prime Minister, but they want to attend it nonetheless. They still have major problems with this deal. The speech is not the deal.
Charles, the substance of the speech.
This is going to be the case that the world has not heard for what's wrong with the agreement. Up until now, we've been debating the propriety of the speech. That was a way for the administration to distract us from the content of the agreement, and now the discussion about the propriety of the speech is over as of now, and now from now on we're going to have to hear the details. The objective of Netanyahu is to make the world aware of how much the U.S. has conceded to the Iranian position and how much on the edge and the cusp of nuclear capacity the deal would leave them. And that, I think, is going to have a major influence on the debate. And in fact, it probably will have a major influence on Kerry negotiating. I think he's at a point now where there'll be tremendous pressure as a result of the speech not to make further concessions and perhaps to pull back on some he's already made.
Now, but what about the broad case and this concern that he's going to release details of this ongoing negotiation that the administration has expressed openly, that he's going to somehow let the cat out of the bag in this speech?
Look, in for a dime, in for a dollar. He has already offended the administration. He's already offended a lot of Democrats. He has to do what he has to do. And if that means saying that the number of centrifuges we have agreed to is 6,500, he will say it. It's not classified. Everybody knows it. It's out there. It's been leaked a dozen times. He's going to do it. This is his one chance. This is going to be the only time the whole world is going to hear what's actually been given away in these negotiations. And he knows it. It's not going to happen again. He's going to say what he has to say.
Maybe just the politics here. For all of the talk about who's not going to be there, apparently this is the highest demand for tickets for a joint meeting since Speaker Boehner has been Speaker, and that this place is packed.
Well, Israel is our staunch ally. This is not joint sessions from allied prime ministers are usually a packed house. This is Israel. The number of Democrats